In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Zoho Books, the comprehensive accounting software using Google Chrome. Whether you're a business owner or a finance professional, setting up Zoho Books can help streamline your accounting processes, and I'm here to guide you step by step. We'll start by accessing Zoho Books through the Chrome browser. If you don't have a Zoho account yet, you'll need to sign up and log in. Once you're inside, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly dashboard where you can manage all your financial activities. Opening up Zoho Books in Chrome gives you a seamless experience because of its speed and compatibility, which is perfect for handling the demands of accounting tasks. Next, it's time to set up your company profile. You can find this option in the Settings menu. Here, input your business's essential details like the official name, address, and your industry type. Don't forget to upload your company logo, which will personalize invoices and other communications. Provide accurate contact information, as this enhances your professional appearance to clients and partners. Once your company profile is set, focus on adding customers, vendors, and items. Navigate to the contacts section for customers and vendors. Enter the necessary details, like names, addresses, and any specific notes or payment terms unique to them. For items, go to the Items tab and list all the services and products you offer. Accurate and detailed entries here save time later and ensure smooth transactions. The next step involves creating and sending invoices, which is one of the primary functions you'll use frequently. Head to the Sales section and click on New Invoice. Select your customer, fill in the invoice details with products or services, set the due date, and voila, your invoice is ready. You can send this directly to your customer through email, all within Zoho Books, making it incredibly efficient. After invoices, you'll need to record payments and expenses. When customers make payments, record these under the Payments Received tab to keep your accounts up to date. Similarly, for expenses, simply go to the Expenses tab, enter each expense detail, link receipts if you have them, and categorize them appropriately. This helps in tracking where your money goes and aids in budgeting. Finally, generating and interpreting reports is crucial for understanding your business's financial health. Zoho Books offers various reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. By accessing these through the Reports section, you can tailor them to specific timeframes or data ranges. Understanding these reports will provide valuable insights into your business performance and guide your decision making. And there you have it, a thorough walkthrough on setting up Zoho Books through Chrome. By following these steps, you're on your way to efficient and organized accounting. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to dive in and explore all the features Zoho Books has to offer.